Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Uchenna Osai and I am a pelvic health physical therapist, an AA Sex certified sexuality counselor. I also serve as pelvic health program manager and assistant professor at the University of Texas Dell Medical School. Last and certainly not least, I am also founder of UC Logic, which is a sex education platform dedicated to improving the sexual intelligence of grown folk, us adults. Now, I am so very excited to be teaching the biopsychosocial approach in pelvic floor and sexual dysfunction, as well as cultural considerations in addressing pelvic floor and sexual dysfunction. And what is so fantastic about these courses is that you're going to be taken through not only the anatomical and physiological aspect of the pelvic floor, but also what happens when dysfunction occurs. And not only are you going to see the dysfunction component, but also how that is typically treated from a musculoskeletal perspective and how that can be addressed from a sex therapy and sex counseling perspective.